Hey, Carol, Patrick, Mogambi, BT, how's it going? Can you hear me?
Hello. Um, I can hear you, but your voice is low.
You can see me, but you can hear me, but
But your voice
I,
is
I
low.
didn't
It's
get.
quite low.
Oh, okay, okay. So I'm getting. Am I still? Is the voice still low?
That's better.
Oh, let me add. Let me add volume here. Oh, has everyone's week been so far? Well, Mogambi, how have you been, Manzi? How you know the funny thing is I know what you do and I'm very curious to find out your experience with with the course. How's the going been? Are you in a position where you can say hi and speak to us? I guess not. Then Patrick or Jess, as we wait for the rest.
I think it's been good. Maybe I think people are a bit, you know, they're looking at very good position. So everyone's like only for the weekend.
Oh, that's how you're feeling. Like you're ready for the for the weekend.
Yeah.
Uh, me safe to say, yeah, for sure, for sure. Guys are just looking to wind down. Yeah, call us during the weekend. If you have any exciting plan, let us know. Can post it in the group.
Appreciate.
Yeah. Okay. Anybody else who wants to tell us how the week has been? How are you feeling so far? Have you deployed your smart contract? Any challenges? Feel free to unmute. How are you, Joan? I'm kind of curious to know
Oh,
the
hi
person behind.
everyone.
Hi.
Hi, Washuka. I've just joined. My week has been good, and I'm happy that I got to deploy my first smart contract yesterday, and I'm eager for today's session. Yeah, thank you.
That's the psych. That's the
Yeah,
spirit. Do you have any CS background or what's your background?
yeah, my background is actually in CS. I'm a junior full stack developer.
Sharp girls and boys. Everyone is
Kujaribu
just
tu.
nothing
Yeah,
much. No
yeah,
Cordelia. Karibu sana to the cohort. Looking forward to seeing, like how it's at least you already have the front end and back end knowledge, like you know how to deploy some code. So, are you
yeah.
interested in the founders track or the developer track? What was your main interest when you joined?
I think mostly the intersection of both, if I can put it that way.
Ah, okay. Great,
Yeah,
great. We're still also trying to figure out schedules, like, because we'd like the guys who are also interested in building. You could be interested in building and also building your own company, like development and entrepreneurship. So we we are hoping we can merge those two together so that you can join both sessions.
yeah,
We'll figure that
definitely.
out.
Yeah,
Yes.
thank you.
All right. Okay. Kuria Ndongo, I remember you promised us that one day down the road you're gonna open your mic. I don't know when that is gonna be. Kuria Waziongo, is it Ndungu? Is it the same?
Yeah, it's me.
I like the branding.
Yeah.
What's behind the name change?
I'm basically logged in on my desktop and on my phone, so that's why there's a variation a bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yesterday you also got to deploy your smart contract, right?
I would have loved to, but I didn't. Didn't I? My my yeah, you call it. Remix was giving me some trouble. I was on Parrot, so I had to switch up and set up a new Ubuntu workspace. But it's on, I think. By the end of the day, I'll have something deployed.
Awesome. 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 Okay. Chris, you wanna say something? Oh, okay. I saw he was unmuted. Anybody else wants to unmute and tell us what's up?
Yeah, hey Washuka, what's up?
Hey Patrick, what's up? You can add some more lines.
It's Ochi. It's not Patrick. Patrick
Oh,
is
I saw
talking.
it was Patrick. I thought Patrick had unmuted. Okay, cool.
Hi
Hi
guys.
Ochi, how are you doing?
I'm good.
Oh,
I'm
Patrick had
actually heading to the
unmuted.
lab.
Okay.
Oh no, I'm just saying I'm heading to the lab. Niko kwa gari. You see how committed I am?
Okay. Yes. Thank you. We appreciate it. Where were you saving the world from?
Nilikuwa Stra. There was a conference. It was called the ClawCon conference. It was a basically open claw held an event platform. And yeah, it was
Mhm.
packed. So they introduced what OpenClaw is, and then they had like 4 people make presentations on what they're doing with OpenClaw.
Okay, great. You get to the lab and yeah, just get to the lab. Patrick, do you want to say something?
Hello everyone.
Hi.
So far I've enjoyed the week. I deployed a smart contract some time ago. Okay, it's a really good experience so far.
Nice. So, what's your background?
CS.
Okay. So, did you get to deploy a smart contract this week, or it's just the one you did a while back?
The one I did a while back.
Okay, great. So we'd like for the theme around today's session is getting to see how to create a front end and a back end. You know, like you have a cool idea and you want to test it out ASAP. So how do you use AI to have a front end and a back end that's interacting with a smart contract? So I know it's another layer of complexity, but it's a nice challenge for us to get started with as we progress with the course. So by the end of the week, maybe Karol is going to show us how to do that. But the goal would be to try and come up with our own ideas and test them out so that we can have fun in the founders class as well. Okay, you have like a business idea. How do you start getting clients? How do you create a go-to-market strategy? And yeah, Hope you enjoyed today's session. Let me introduce Karol Howards. He's one of the smartest young men I have seen at the lab. And we invited, he's actually the one who created our Web3 Clubs portal, which we're still testing. And if someone knows how to ship, I'd say it's Karol. Yeah, karibu sana. Let us know what you have for us for the session.
Hello guys. My name is Karol Howards. I am a software engineer and I'm leveraging on AI in my development nowadays. I used to focus so much on writing PHP, but nowadays with emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, it has enabled us to like build several programs using various languages. So long as you know the software paradigms that are required, okay, that each language follow, then you're good to go. So what I have today, I want to build out, we're not going to build a very complex dApp, but it's just something simple so that people get a picture of what's happening from writing your very own smart contract using AI to deploying it on the testnet, then integrating the front end with the smart contract itself. So currently, I think we need to understand how the apps operate. They're a little bit different from conventional applications that normally we have in phones and websites, right? The app actually, of course, it works on the front end, and by front end we mean the HTML, JavaScript, React, Next.js. Those are front end tech stacks. And no, in normal cases, a app doesn't necessarily require a backend, but we actually use, excuse me, just a sec. So I'm realizing something.
Today you decided to deliver. Thank you. If anybody else wants us to see them today, this is the time to shine.
Okay, I'm really sorry, guys. So, I was saying that a app is actually it actually contains the content, and it doesn't actually necessarily require a backend to run. The backend is actually usually the smart contract, which is usually deployed on the network in which you want to operate. The database is actually the how do you call it? The contract, okay. The network, okay, the chain storage. I think, yeah, that's it. The chain storage, that is the database that normal apps use. So, the use case we're going to take today, it's just something simple. We're going to build like an application that allows people, you're able to receive tips you're able to receive tips on the Ethereum network. So I think most of us, yesterday you guys learned on how to deploy smart contract, but if you're not there, I'll be doing that again today. We're going to write a smart contract using AI and then deploy it on the Sequoia testnet network. So how many guys here, their Remix ID is actually working? Okay, if it's not working, raise your hand. I have a solution. Okay, I guess everyone's ID is working. So let me just share the screen. Just a second. So in the meantime, I have a question. So do people have MetaMask extension on their browsers? Okay, how many people don't have MetaMask extension in their browsers? Okay, cool. Guys. Yeah. Okay, I hope everyone also has the tokens that was sent by Ethereum.
For those who gave me their names and addresses yesterday, we are yet to receive ours, but Fadil has said we're gonna get them by the end of the evening. Yeah.
Okay, you guys able to see my screen?
Yes, we can.
Okay, cool. So if you don't have tokens yet, you can get tokens from Google. There's a link. I forgot to just Google search where to get people your tokens and people to get them if you don't have them. Because deploying a smart contracts require tokens. So let's just get started. We can just go to Remix AI assistant and let's tell it to like write a simple smart contract that's going to okay, let me just start up. So write simple.
Karol, I have a question.
Okay, cool.
Is it possible for someone that hasn't received the tokens yet, you can just, which link is it so that I can get some?
Okay, it's actually it's a Google store. Let me see if it can work. So this is it. So you
Okay,
just
cool.
enter your wallet address and you're able to get this amount of Seboli on your
You could have just
wallet.
done that. Okay, great.
So simple as that. So I hope everyone knows is able to have like some tokens on the wallet. So we get started. Right? Okay. I think silence means yes. Let me just get to it. So we're just going to let's just first write the smart contract. Then during deployment, these people who don't have like tokens can be able to like request to Google. And we deploy the contract. So for me first, I like to structure first my work. Need to understand like what the mind of the AI first. What type of AI going to like? How does it reason? How does it like explain stuff? So first things first, before like it starts working, I need to understand like what how does it operate? So here's what we're gonna do. So we're going to say that create small contract. Small contract. It's so this enables me like first to get what is it going to do. Then after getting to know how it's going to operate, I go through it, and after that, I'm able to approve if that's what I want it to do. So what is the creative to smart contract receiving tips? Okay, to use. Okay. Let's just use this. Good. All right.
For those who have just joined, we are following Karol's step-by-step process for creating a full stack app. So he started with a smart contract. Pretty soon we are gearing towards having a front end as well. So yeah.
I just did just created that. So it's able to get the balance. Draw. What does this step also do? It's fetching the balance and user able to withdraw. Okay, cool. Let's just use that. What is written? So this is just a simple smart contract, and let's try and compile it. Okay, let's compile successfully. Just go to deploy, and we have to select the environment of deployment, which is going to be our browser extension. And we have to select the network. It's going to be deployed. Support your testnet. I think this is what you guys did yesterday. So you just click on deploy, and you're able to get, if your MetaMask is actually connected to Remix, to just like don't ask you for like your password again. So, oh, change the password. So yeah, so see, this is the fee that's taking in deploying this smart contract. So just click on confirm. Just take some couple of seconds. Just wait. It's done. So this is the smart contract. It's deployed. So when the smart contract is deployed, we actually also need to take the mark the contract address. This is important because this is what our front end is going to use to communicate with the smart contract address. So I think we can tell it now to create suitable front end to create image. So So, to not anything that is to communicate. Pick up this. Here we go. See this one. So it's done. So this is just a simple front end. So I'm using Remix in the browser. So I actually preview my code using CodePen. So I'm just going to post all this. It's done. I'm going to pick up the JavaScript codes. Let's see, JavaScript codes. Cool. So yeah, so that's it. So you can see work is rendered over here. Okay, I forgot to add the connection of the wallet. So I think I should tell you to like should- should- Mhm.
Carol, can you explain the feature that you're adding now? I
So, okay,
may be
I
a bit
think
lost.
I think I
Mhm.
think I think I'll have to like okay start a new conversation with AI so that I've seen it as, okay, I've like lost it a bit, because if I get to that session again, it would start like taking around and around. So I think, so what's supposed to happen is this: users supposed to connect first to the eApp. Once they've connected, they now send their tips to my wallet, right? So the smart contract now handles the aspect of okay, the smart contract will go to receive the tips first. Once it has hold the tips, I as the user can be able to withdraw the tips and it comes to my account now. That's what the smart contract is supposed to do. And I think I lost it there. So that was a bad prompt that I did. So let me just like start over fresh again. This aspect of using it, I have to like be ready to iterate and iterate until you get the results that you need. So here's what's happening. Okay, let me see. Nice. Okay. So nice. So this is it. What has done so much. It's adding a lot of things. Good. I think I can say, just say go ahead. Right. Yes, need to change. So let's see. Okay. Okay, if I want to run it, and to allow the client to deploy the contract again. So we have to redeploy the contract again. Any change you make on your smart contract, you have to redeploy it again. Because remember, once a smart contract is deployed on the network, no one is able to edit it. So whenever you make a change, you have to redeploy the contract and get again the contract address, the updated contract. Okay, get the new contract address to update it on the front end. So let's see what's here. So extension. Okay, cool. Let me just first compile. Let's compile original. So it's compiled. Okay. It's not trying to deploy again. Okay. Good. Now this is my new contract address. Now I just have to tell the AI to like update it. Update. So let's see it first. Okay, so that is it. So this one. Nice. So we're going to take the index.html, see what it's happening. Okay, now let's connect it. So let me just try and set it. It's crazy. Equals to. Let's see. It's a quick one. Let me just go back. So just going to add like feature.
Carol, what did you say we're adding now?
Okay. So currently, okay. Did I say I'm adding something?
Sorry?
Did I say I'm adding something?
Oh no, I'm wondering what's currently happening.
So what's happening is this: we want to make sure like the dApp is connecting to MetaMask, but I think it's using a demo wallet in this case to connect. I'm not sure, but that's what's happening here. Let me just have a look. But okay, people please I just make sure I just as error. So just a sec. So guys, I'm trying to figure it out how to like okay connect the MetaMask. So that's where I'm kind of stuck. So see. All right, cool. It is updated, but so let me see. It's done. Let's just see. What's happening here. Okay. So let me see.
This is AI doing its thing.
Let's just delete.
Yeah, also, Karol, maybe the other thing we could look at is debugging. How you pushing debugging?
Okay, so all right. Let's see first.
I guess my question is, like you know code, and if you look at the code, you can see what the issue is. How would someone who is not like a native coder go about debugging a situation like this?
Okay, so
Yeah.
so in this case, if you find an error like in your code, normally when errors are normally errors are usually highlighted by IDEs or even the logic. If the logic is not what you wanted, you can go back and reprompt the AI to fix the issue. Just go into detail, explain it, and it will just go ahead and fix it. Am I making sense in some kind of way? But let me see, let me confirm if my wallet is connected. Let me add a disconnect feature just to test if everything is good. So feature to disconnect part. See. Mhm. Eight. So so this is just part of the process. You also observe. So what's supposed to happen is that when you click wallet connect, it's supposed to pop up the MetaMask, but it hasn't actually done that. And all this data false. So let me just go back to the AI and just tell it back to review the code and fix the concern I'm getting. So just tell it this way. You done? So for those who are not getting anything, I'll explain everything once fix fix the issue that's currently pending. For those who are following, or if you have any opinion or feedback you want to share, feel free to unmute and give your opinion. So let's see. So let's see what's happening here. So yep, that's it. For the confirmation, yep. But my account has gotten my contract has gotten a tip, 30 cents. So basically that's it. So the only person who's able to withdraw all tip is the person who whose wallet is okay, the owner of this platform, which is actually me, which is my address. In short, what I've just actually done is just like I've just sent myself a tip again. So it will actually be lower because of the network fees and yeah, gas fees. I think Lance talked about that in that class, and yeah. So basically that's it. You just prompt just use your AI agent to like build a simple dApp like this one. And yeah, you can add other more features like you can style it, you can transform this simple application into like a SaaS whereby people could or a plugin people could plug into their sites so that people could be able to receive tips other than just you yourself, but you can just make them like be able to connect their wallet addresses, and whenever somebody tips, it goes to their wallet address. Other than that, you can also make changes to the smart contracts to, instead of you now manually coming here to withdraw all the tips from the smart contracts, it's just like when somebody sends money to the, okay, when somebody tips you, it just comes automatically to your wallet address. So there's no need of coming back here and clicking withdraw all tips. So yeah. So basically, that's it. Unless there's any question.
Yay. Thank you so much, Carol, for that. You are a real one. Coding live. Even if it's using AI, I just think it's a very bold thing to do. So thank you for giving us that clear picture. And I don't know if there's a conversation in the chat here, but I think we can get to that towards the end. Right now, what I'd like to know is if there's someone who wants to do that from scratch. If you have an idea and you want to share your screen so that you can deploy your application. And remember, some people are very prickly about smart vibe coding a smart contract because obviously it's holding funds, right? And if you don't know what you're doing, it could be risky for your users. So I want you to understand this as being forced to actually look at the code and ship it within a short amount of time. And for smart contract developers, yeah, you'll have to go deeper and deeper as we progress. So that's just a disclaimer. For now, I don't know if someone is bold enough again to share the screen if you have your idea, because the assignment or the challenge for the week is prompting your own simple dApp. And yeah, for next week, we might do the presentations. Yeah, any person that's willing to share their screen.
As we're doing that, guys, I have a small announcement. So, as we have mentioned, we have IRL, in real life sessions every Saturday now, starting this Saturday. Mr. Karol will be here tomorrow. We can help guys redo this assignment for wale hawakuweza. We'll also be streaming it, so anyone who is stuck, we will be having an office hour. Kesho will shoot that, so you can, just say what you need assistance with, and yes, we basically officially starting at 11. Yeah.
So if anyone, okay, has anyone tried to make something from this session? Maybe you're just observing or following or gotten a clear concept or structure that people follow in using AI agents in development. Has anyone gotten something? Or is someone lost? Or are some people lost?
Is there any vibe watcher that wants to share their screen and vibe code? Mark? Is Mark Karuga still in? Anybody? Nice. Would you be down to sharing your screen, Mark? We can think of an idea together. You don't have to think about everything from scratch. You can come up with a simple idea together.
Yeah. So I think there's somebody who said, okay, after Karuga Mark said it's been so small. Okay, appreciate. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I usually believe like we're in a position where if you're a developer, you can build. Okay, if you want to be a developer or you're an existing developer, you can build anything right now with AI. AI is actually abstracting a lot of things for development. Of course, there are some people who are skeptical using AI. It's okay. The main goal is actually to deliver the results. It's not people don't actually care about how hard you worked or what you did. They just want to know what results, what's working. They just want to see that the thing is working. So yeah.
Okay, that's fair enough. Fair enough. Anybody?
Still have like 30 minutes.
Okay. While we do that, I do need help debugging my own. So I
Okay.
I hope it won't take long.
Okay, no problem.
Let me share my screen.
Okay. Stop sharing. Can you share your screen?
Still unable to share. Go to the green, that green rectangle on the bottom of the screen.
So what you said you're going to
Yeah.
share.
Yeah, I want you to stop sharing. I can still see.
Constance my screen.
Wait, who's sharing? Is it me?
It's you.
I'm unable to share. Okay. No,
Just click the green.
oh my, how do we stop this? Yeah, click on that. Yeah.
Is my screen visible?
Yeah, your screen is visible.
Then how do I cancel?
Ah, I don't know.
I'm sharing right now, right?
Yeah, you're sharing.
I'm sharing. I thought we canceled it. Okay. Okay, let's just.
I'm trying.
Okay. How we stop this? I want to quit or win.
Does anyone know how to stop sharing?
Okay.
All
right.
Have you figured it out?
Okay, got it.
Okay, great.
It's gone, right?
Yeah, it's gone now.
Okay, cool.
So can you see mine?
Yeah, we can.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know if the issue is the configuration on my MetaMask. I don't know what's happening, but I'm just trying to create a simple smart contract that stores some credentials online or artist metadata online.
Okay.
So I had already compiled the smart contract.
Okay.
Yeah, it's already, let me just do it again. I've already compiled it. So now I want to deploy.
Okay. So it's compiled. Okay,
And I
then
have
click on deploy.
let me confirm the wallet that I'm using. Yeah, nothing is happening. See,
Okay,
Vali, you
can
can
you
see
click
nothing
on
is
deploy?
happening. I'm clicking on it. Um,
Okay.
so I'm not sure if it's the
Okay, okay.
configuration
Can you
here.
come over here? Do you have like some tokens in Sepolia network?
Yeah, I just requested mine from the
Okay, cool.
link you
Now,
showed us.
do you see where the browser extension is? That place written MetaMask?
Yeah,
Okay, click
yeah.
there. Click that drop down, MetaMask.
There.
Um,
So I'm getting gas estimation failed, and it's not the first time I'm getting this.
okay, cancel that transaction. Cancel that. Because I think you're using the mainnet. Cancel.
Oh, damn.
Yeah,
Okay.
so come here to MetaMask. The environment. Environment is right browser extension, but you chose MetaMask. You're supposed to choose Sepolia testnet.
And I did, but it's not reflecting here.
What happens if you reset? What is it? Can you try reset?
It's not, yeah.
Oh no, cancel everything. Cancel, I think cancel this.
Damn. Should I reset or
Yes.
cancel?
Okay, just reset. Let's see. That's what's gonna happen.
Oh, okay.
No problem. So now on MetaMask, okay, on MetaMask, can you stop this current window that's going on over here of deploying a contract over here on MetaMask? Can you cancel this? Can you close this? The session on
Close what?
MetaMask.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I think I had several
Now,
sessions open. Yeah. Uh-huh.
now select the test in Sepolia. You're deploying it in Sepolia. Test it.
Oh, I was talking. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know
Have you
what's
picked
happening.
it? You're not select. Why, what's going on?
I'm not sure.
Oh, can you cancel these transactions? I think you're trying to push it to the mainnet, and that's where the gas feels like so
Yeah.
high and stuff.
I'm saying like,
I think the sessions are still running.
okay. Can you maybe I think I missed it yesterday, like where I change that configuration for Sepolia and mainnet. I think once I figure that out,
It's
I can debug it.
there on the
Sorry?
environment section. After you've done that, I think Remix has made it much more easy. That's why people prefer it. I think Remix has made it easier. Hello, are you getting me?
Mm-hmm.
I think Remix has
Yeah, I'm
made it
getting you.
easier to deploy smart contract. You don't have to configure things. I tried to do
Okay.
that on VS Code, and it was kind of It was kind of a kick, but yeah.
It's okay.
Oh,
I'll
yeah.
debug this tonight, so I'll check what's happening. Try
Okay.
again, because I don't think the issue is that major.
All right,
So,
cool. Cool.
thank you. Anybody else with a bug?
Yes, people are cool.
All right. Again, we are gonna take silence as y'all are fine, and we can go ahead and challenge ourselves to deploy a dApp by next week.
Yeah.
I'm gonna share out just a small breakdown or a small outline of what you can try doing. Come up with an idea by yourself. And I don't know, personally, I use Claude to do my planning, and Gemini for the UI. Like, I don't know how to use Figma, but Gemini can prompt very nice. You can prompt Gemini, has very nice UIs. So that's it. If there are no further questions, I think we can call it a night a bit early. I hope you have a whole angle of what you're supposed to do. Ochi?
Yeah. Tessa just spoken about UIs. Do you guys know, most likely you know, do you know Stitch? Stitch by Google.
Yeah.
Yeah, how many do not know Stitch by Google? Maybe just put a thumbs down if you don't know Stitch by Google. Chat or reaction or something. So there's also no. Oh, I was saying a thumbs down for those who don't know.
There's no thumbs down. We're doing thumbs up.
So everyone knows. So I don't need to show you guys that.
No, you need to show us because
Amazing.
we don't know. Oh, there's a thumbs
And
down. I don't know.
ndio nimeona sasa. Hata mna haya. Okay, fine. Let me show you then. Let me put you on game, baby. So, David, my backbencher wa Web3 tunaona. All right, let me share my screen. Hold on, let me load it from now. Okay, someone give me an idea of something they're trying to build right now, and then I'll show you. Just type in the chat. The first one to type in the chat is what we will go with. Check out the chat.
First,
So
oh
no
my
one wants.
God.
So no one has anything interesting they're looking to make, and we do it for them right now.
Me, I have, but I want to prompt ChatGPT so I can give you the prompt nicely so that you can give me the UI.
So if I your parents, I'd have kicked you guys out of my house. Ningekuwa mzazi wenyu. So you're putting something in the chat, yeah? In the meantime.
Unless someone beats me to it.
All right, let's see. Stage. Pashuka, Mr. Karuga Mark has beat you to it. All right, so let me share my screen. This will take 5 seconds. This is the beauty of AI, man. While you are loading, someone alikuwa shafanya. All right, cool. So share my entire screen. Guess you can see my screen, right? So let's get straight to build a smart contract. I know this was not school fund there. I feel like we use. Okay, so I'll take this.
From
I'll
Uchi.
go. Yeah, so I'll just create another tab actually. Let me do this. Let me go to Cloud. If Cloud has been failing me, it's like, yo, you need to renew your account. Doesn't any. I'm trying to create. Oh, and Mark. Also, if there's anything you want it to look like, just add some things up or alert to the name. Let me create. Mark, do you wanna unmute and then let's talk as we do this prompt?
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm typing up. Help me create a what?
Help me create like a smart, yeah.
Okay. So this is UI. So it's not gonna make the smart contract. It's just the UI. Help me
Okay.
create. Let me say, help me create a prompt for a UI UX prompt for a smart contract that will handle disbursement, school funding for like me. Yeah. Is there any way you want it to look? Do you have like a look and feel or professional, this, that? What are you thinking?
Nah, not really. Just generally, whatever.
Get optimized for conversion of donations. I don't know. I'm just doing whatever. All right, cool. So I asked it for a prompt. I hope it doesn't start creating a whole thing. Okay. All righty. Stacking those bills. Okay. So as it's doing that, you guys can load this thing. It's called Stitch with google.com. I think maybe most of you know it already, I think. So this is for those who don't. Am I logged in? Yeah, I think I am. All right, see what it says. I swear, Claude doesn't listen. Just stop it. Look. On the way, I want only prompt. I will use it on Stitch with Google. Please do not forget the UI yourself. Lord.
Do you think AI has feelings? Because that would, I don't know, that would make me feel some type of way
I mean, if it
as
doesn't
AI.
listen, come on, excuse. What are we supposed to do? Maybe this is how we train it. All right, so design our donation manufacturer shows. You know what? I don't even like how this thing is doing it. I'm just gonna throw the thing into the okay? Because it's just so I'll just take this angle without, okay, and then boom, just like that.
Gemini. I've noticed Claude is not real good on that front.
Yeah, so Claude is not really good for design. Okay, so it's already giving us a color palette, like a brand guideline, which is amazing. So primary is this, and AI is obsessed with these dark, so I think we should even do something on how to design stuff that doesn't look obviously AI generated. That's a big concern, this whole slop thing. But Stitch does a good job at producing stuff that doesn't feel too AI generic. But let's see what it comes up with. So it's generating the different screens for this app that we are considering to build. I personally love design, so anything that can make things look better is my thing. What's this? I've never seen this. Ooh, this is so cool. Oh, it's like a new thing they're doing. Oh my God. Yeah, what an animalizer. Okay. All right. So it's generating. So public audit ledger smart contract. Wait, is this what so it's decided to call it Nutri Trust because it's a food thing, whatever. And then total verified meals, Niapo, audit status, real time, okay. Live ledger. So this is a live feed of guys like contributing, I suppose. It's giving a summary on monthly disbursements. Regional distribution is giving a summary by different areas. North District, this summary is coming from a different impact footprint. I'm guessing this is a map, essentially. Let's see. Trust protocol. All transactions verified by a smart contract. Yeah. So it's giving you a nice little menu opportunity. Yeah, and then so I'll do just one more prompt. Because this still looks and feels very generic. It's not bad. I'm waiting to see if it's gonna load images up. Huh? So now it's okay. After it's done, it will tell us. Okay, so I guess this is the landing page. This is what page? Okay, this is cool. Now I'm seeing some images. Either feature track every penny. Donate now. Live audits. Okay, I don't think I'll do another prompt because now it takes some time, but you can already see you have something, right? Even if you haven't built it out, you can even use this as your slides for presentation for those guys who are just looking to build quickly. To show, you can just approach an investor with an idea also. Although it's not easy, but yeah. So this is a school directory. So these are the pages. So this is the transparency dashboard. So this is a dashboard. If I click on that, I can look at the preview, and right now I'm on mobile mode, so I can look at the desktop version. So this is what the desktop looks like. Right. That's what desktop looks like. Select that preview. I go back to mobile. So it's mobile first. This is the impact landing page. So let's go to the desktop. So this is how it would look on our computer, our laptop. Feed a feature, blah, blah. Editor the blockchain, total means, active schools, boom, boom. And then you can edit. So you can just go here and then what do you edit? Modify. Can say this one. Yeah, so I'm editing the image. You can see it's tag the image. Make the image be of people. Style is hyper realistic. And it's doing that here. I'm almost done, guys. I'm almost done. Do this. So it has a school directory, upper St. Andrews Academy. So these are the different schools that are in this program. Zoom in. And then this is a page for secure donation flow, your contribution feeds. NutriTrust ensures that 100% of your funds reach designated schools, blah, blah. Yeah, so you see, you already have like a lot of what you would need to, and literally just put one prompt. You sharpen your image, so this image you have now. Of course, this still looks AI. You could always just replace that with something better. But yeah, Mark, aren't you glad you did that?
Let me tell you something. Mark fought for this cohort. Mark was the one who was tagging me on X. Yeah, I think we took a bit long to respond. Sorry for that, but I'm glad you've made it here. And yeah, thank you so much for that, Ochi.
Yeah, and so now you can just export this. So you can export this, I guess, to Bold, Lovable. These weren't even there when I was looking at this. You can get the Figma. You can download it as a zip. Can share this. I think I can share this with Mark. But anyway,
what I'm wondering,
yeah.
I don't know. I think now I'm trying to also mentally connect the pieces together. Like now I have the UI, and what would be the next steps? Right now, how I do it is, like take that screenshot, or rather now how the plan for whatever I'm making would be. Like take a screenshot of the UI from here, and then I take it to, I don't know if I can attach files on Remix to tell it to create the whole thing. Yeah, so that it's exactly the way it is.
Yeah, actually, so just get the zip file. I guess you upload the files. Just share the files with your AI thing and just tell them, yeah, look, so this is what I'm using for my UI. Just make it. Like the thing with the AI, it's crazy. Like unaiambia tufanya tu. Although I do know someone who has used, so there's something I'm building and I shared this. Let me show you actually. Okay, well, maybe not now. I don't know. I think I should go up there now, but maybe in another session. I shared something. Actually, it could take 2 seconds. Where's the project in? Let me go back. Let me go to my Stitch account. So I've used it before. So there's a project I'm working on. It's called CC. And then, yeah, I just prompted a few things. I'm building this with a few other guys, and yeah, it's now the UI that we're using for our thing. So this is what we prompted. So CC is a platform for local businesses to be discovered by people in those areas. So these are some of the things to recreate. Yeah, and now that's officially what we're using. The website is cc.ke. And yeah, looking really, really good. So this is the landing page. We have a lot of the elements to the mini. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Of course, you're gonna put this content because local. These images are not like legit, but yeah. Yes. Yep, that's all I have for you. Questions, comments?
Dope. That was
And it took
dope. That was dope.
it took 5 minutes. Like it took 5 minutes. Yeah. That's the world we're living in, guys. So and the thing is, guys, like look, everyone and their pet monkey can make an app now. So that's not even the edge. The edge is like, are you building first of all, are you solving a real problem? Do you have a good strategy to how to go to market? Do you have a good strategy? You know, like building is now not even a thing anymore. You really have to think about what problem you're solving and make sure it's legit. Otherwise, you'll be one of the millions of people that have their own apps. Yeah. Yeah. So I think that's it for Shukran.
Amazing. Yeah, that's it. It's been a nice session. Thank you for showing that. You were not even in the session. So guys, if you have something to share or something you think we would benefit from, feel free to share with us either here or even in the group. We'll provide more instructions for the week, but ideally it's just creating a similar something, an idea that you have, so that you can prepare to get to demo day with something you're proud of from this cohort. All right. Have a lovely, thank you so much. Yeah, it's been you guys, you're the real soldiers. There are some people who haven't missed a day here since we started. So shout out to you. See you next week on Monday, preferably with your applications deployed. Good night.
Yeah. Oh, there's a question about not making it so generic. This we can address Ukombele Mark. And Dawn is really good at that. Dawn is really, really good at that. All right. Cheers, guys. Bye.